Crypto or stocks? Where should you invest in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mastery Ideas channel. Today we're tackling one of the biggest investing debates, crypto versus stocks. Where should you invest in 2025? If you've ever wondered, should I invest in Bitcoin or buy Tesla stock? Which one will give me the best returns? How can I make my money work for me? In 2025, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know the pros, cons, and risks of each, and I'll even share my personal strategy to help you make smarter investment decisions, so make sure you stick around till the end. Now, let's dive in. 1. Understanding stocks, the safe, steady choice. Let's start with stocks, the OG of investing. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you're literally owning a piece of that company. How do people make money with stocks? Capital appreciation. Stock prices go up over time. Example, Apple was $180 per share in 2002. Now it's over $180s. Dividends. Some companies pay you just for holding their stock. Free money? Yes, please. Pros of investing in stocks. More stable than crypto. Long-term growth. Historically averages 8 to 10% per year. Dividend income, passive cash. Low. Cons of stocks. Slow growth compared to crypto market. Crashes, 2008, COVID-19, etc. Requires patience, no overnight riches. So if you're someone who likes stability and long-term wealth, stocks might be the way to go. 2. Crypto, high risk, high reward. Now, let's talk about crypto, the investment that turns people into millionaires overnight, but can also wipe them out just as fast. How do people make money with crypto? Price speculation, buy low, sell high if you time it right. Staking, earn rewards for holding certain cryptos, like earning interest in a bank. NFTs, DeFi, more ways to earn beyond just trading. Pros of investing in crypto. Higher returns. Bitcoin went from $100 to $60. First in 10 years. Decentralized, no. Government interference, open 24/7, no. Stock market hours. Trade anytime. Cons of crypto. Super volatile. Can drop 50% in days. No regulation. Risk of scams. And rug pulls. No dividends. You only profit when you sell. So, if you're okay with risk and volatility but love the idea of high rewards, then crypto might be your game. 3. Head-to-head comparison. Which is better? Alright, now let's compare crypto and stocks head-to-head so you can decide where to invest in 2025. Growth potential. 8-10% per year, 100% plus, but risky. Dividends, yes, no regulation, government-backed. Decentralized market hours, 9:30 a.m., 4 p.m. weekdays, 24/7 trading. Here's my advice, why not both? 4. My investment strategy for 2025. If you're looking to invest in 2025, here's a balanced strategy that could help you build wealth. 30% in stocks, safe, long-term steady growth. 20% in crypto. High risk, high reward opportunities. 10% in cash or bonds for stability. And emergency funds. This way, you're playing it smart while still taking advantage of new opportunities. So now that we've broken it all down, I have one question for you. Are you team crypto or team stocks? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Quick recap: stocks, torn safe, steady passive income. Crypto, foreskin, high risk, high reward, crazy gains, best move. Diversify, invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on money, investing, and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.